Welcome, folks, to this pretty lo-fi, low production, one take bench video, or work in progress video as we call it in the UK. Now, this isn't the usual sort of video if you're new to the channel that I usually do. They're usually slightly more polished than this, even though I am new to YouTube. This is an example of the quick turnaround, behind the scenes, mid-project sort of extra content that you can get if you join as a member. So with membership tier 2 and 3, you'll get this exclusive members only videos. So this one's a freebie because I have no members at the moment. But so this is free to everybody to have a little bit of a look at and a little bit of a closer. Warts and all, look at me, because he has got plenty of warts, as you can see. Warts and all, look at the certain stage of whatever project I'm on at the moment. So this is the Predator that my very successful, for me anyway, very successful Predator head FDM video featured. And this was sprayed with black to make it look a bit tidier, but then it wouldn't show up on the video. You couldn't see any detail, so I had to really quickly just dry brush it. But this is all just sort of primer on it, so this is all going to get painted, and he's going to get all his makeup on and look absolutely beautiful once it's all done, hopefully. That's the idea. But it's absolutely massive. This is the old Predator from Wicked, and it predates their new Predator that's only just come out. So it's a predator, if you like, a predator Predator. But this is the Jungle Hunter version, which I love the Jungle Hunter because I'm that sort of age, and you can see it's up to 40 centimeters. It is 40 centimeters. Anyway, getting to the sort of content that you'll see on these projects if you become a member in the future on future videos. Everything is printed now, and this is the first time anybody's seeing it all together and complete and built up. It's not finished in any way. I've not done any sanding or filling or anything yet, but I just wanted to show off some cool little features. So to add in LED lights, I've cut the plasma caster into quite a cool and hidden little place. This is quite hard with one hand, so that in future, should I so wish, I can add the LEDs and a little compartment here, hopefully for the battery to fit in, or some kind of battery to fit in. So this has been hollowed out in Blender, cut in Blender, and magnets to make that easy to remove. And here as well, that's stuck in. Magnetize this whole thing would have been stuck. This whole thing was all one piece in the STL, but I cut it up, which to make it easy. As you can see, this is all held in by nothing but gravity. You can see, like the FDM print of the Bambi A1, absolutely beautiful. This bit's magnetized. I didn't plan ahead and put magnet holes in. I wish I had, but you can't really tell, so sod it. Cool little cuts here to make this printable by FDM easier, and you can't see the cuts from any sensible angle. The head is just on by gravity, and you'll see the cuts that I made to the body section completely hidden by the head, neck, and the other parts, decorations, the dreadlocks and the shoulder cannon bit hides these seams. So it's not just about cutting it to get good prints, it's cutting it smart. Well, hopefully, I think smart. Anyway, more magnets for this part. For the back bit, this is going to focus. Anyway, the back bit and where's the camera there? The bit that goes there. As you can see, this is printed well. Again, not finished, not filled, not trimmed, but already I cut it into sections. So say, for instance, this would print pretty much straight up. So these things wouldn't need any support, but not much in terms of layer lines to worry about there, guys. Looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. That just clips in by magnets And this section here. And it continues round and sells the effect rather nicely. Next, the other. Imagine you're a little bird, right? And the predator, all kitted out. Not only is he advanced for against like Arnie and advanced weaponry for like the US Marine Corps, but you're a little bird or a squirrel. That's just bullying, to be honest. It's a bit OTT, mate. It's a bit extra, dude. Talking about extra, this is exactly what this video is. If you're paying attention, this is the extra content that you will absolutely enjoy watching, which I'm sure you are. Only if you are a member in the future for other projects. So, right. So magnets. These are just placed on by gravity, even though they keep falling off. So they will get stuck down at some point, I'm sure. But yeah, there you go. Just want to say, this isn't the final paint job. If you're new to the channel, go away, have a look at the video of me printing this, and get used to the sort of content. This is mainly, as I say, a preview for members who have seen my videos and like them. This isn't something that's respective of the rest of the content that just the odd passerby will be seeing. So there'll be a lot more in-depth stuff on those videos that go through all the cuts I made to this guy, which was many, to get him to print, and many I had to cut all the dreadlocks off, and a lot of the time in sections. Cut the teeth front bit off and in two, so that I could get the teeth printing nice. Sorry, wasn't even, I'm looking at my hand and not through the camera. So anyway, cut the front of the teeth off and split them in two, so that the teeth would print nice without supports, and all the dreadlocks are on the back took an absolute page. And unfortunately, at some point, I'm going to have to do the whole process again to do the mask version. Masky. But it'll be worth it, because unfortunately, with his teeth being open like that, there's no way of having. I don't think there's a way. I mean, technically, I could try and cut the teeth off and have them attachable by magnets. But it's just going to make a mess, isn't it? I really need to just bite the bullet and do the whole process again. Probably took about 3 weeks. All the cutting again, because the mask head is separate STL, and the mask is like attached to actually part of the STL. It's not something you can just take on and off this particular head. But it would look so good. I could just print like a separate helmet and just have it sort of sat there, but everybody knows that's going to look a bit naff. But anyway, yeah, that is, this is, shall I say, the end to the behind the scenes, quick and dirty, low production, but fast turnaround. So, I can get it done in between the bigger videos. Extra content that you will see if you join and become members, and everything, all the membership money that I get will go back into things like extra paint, filament, STLs, and who knows, maybe sometime, equipment and whatnot. But it will really help to help grow the channel and show your support. Plus you get a load of goodies like these epic CrackFox loyalty badges. Sorry, I'm going to kind of stop now because it's over 8 minutes already and I've been dragging it on a little bit. So yeah, remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, and if you like this extra content, and there'll be lots more exclusive, not to be seen in any other videos in the future, members only, behind the scenes shite, then join the membership program, or otherwise I'll send this guy after you.